Hey guys, need a quick Valentine's Day idea? I got you. A bouquet of chocolate covered strawberries. Come on, let me show you how to make it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be making the cutest bouquet ever. And not just with flowers, we're gonna be adding some chocolate covered strawberries. This is gonna be perfect for Valentine's Day, anniversaries, or honestly, if you're just trying to impress someone. So let's get started. Here's what you're gonna need. A vase, a bouquet of flowers of your choice, some melting chocolate, parchment paper, wooden skewers, some glitter, and last, some strawberries. Starting off with the star of the show, our strawberries. You're gonna wanna wash them with some baking soda and some water, and then make sure that they get pat dry or leave in the fridge overnight so that the water is completely gone. It's super important that your strawberries be very, very dry. We don't need the water mixing in with our chocolate. Time to get our chocolate ready. In a microwave safe bowl, we're gonna place 2 bags of our chocolate inside. Looks like we had too much, but that's all right. Now we're gonna start heating our chocolate 1 minute at a time until it's nice and smooth. Once our chocolate is nice and smooth, give it a good mix. Should be about that consistency here, very smooth. Make sure you give it a good mix, okay? And we're ready to dip. So you wanna go ahead and pull the leaves away from your strawberry. Gotta be nice and tight. Make sure to not rip off your little leaves, just like that. And then we're gonna dip. And start twisting. Try to get it all covered. Then on your parchment paper, you're gonna lay down your strawberry. Should look like this. Tap a little bit of the excess off if needed. And repeat until they're all done. Once you're done dipping, you can add some glitter onto them. Just sprinkle it on there. We're gonna tap it off after. Strawberries are all done. So I did place them in the fridge for about 5 minutes to make sure that they hardened real good. And then I did sprinkle some glitter on it. It did come out a little clumpy, but that's okay. I lightly dusted them with my finger and made them have this metallic look. So let's move on. Now we're ready to put our bouquet together, starting off with the flowers. So pretty. Spread them about. And then we're gonna grab our wooden skewers and we're gonna pierce the top of our strawberries. You wanna make sure that it doesn't go all the way through, okay? And we're gonna place it inside of our bouquet, just like that. And repeating the step. And there you have it, guys. A bouquet with chocolate covered strawberries. Perfect for that special someone. I want to thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and tune in next time to see what I got going on.